How to recover your old Lazada account. Open up Lazada and you want to click on login here at the top. Now at the bottom you should see the option trouble signing in or something called forgot password. Here, once we click on trouble signing in, you will see the option to find my account, update your phone number, or contact customer service. Now the first thing that I suggest doing is trying to find your account. Here you will be given the option to search for your account through your phone number, email address, previous order ID, previous tracking number, or if your accounts were connected to Facebook, Google, or Apple, you can choose one of these options. So if you remember any of these, like I said, such as your phone number, email address, you can use those to track your account and sign in and recover your account. If still it doesn't work, then you can contact customer service here. So you can click on contact customer service, and in the help center you want to explain that you cannot access your account. Here you can see the number which you can call, and here for the topics you can select my account and they can further assist you with recovering your account. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.